What would you do if your furnace broke down on a cold winter day? Do you have enough savings to cover the costly repair, or would you have to use high-interest credit options? MCAP's Home System Service Plan protects you from the unexpected costs of breakdowns in the major systems you rely on in your home. No need to search for technicians in your area. There's just one number to call and we'll send an authorized technician to service your covered home system. Without coverage, this furnace repair would have cost $1,200. With MCAP's Home System Service Plan, you're protected. Sign up today to start your complimentary coverage period at no charge to you. After this period, the $20.99 monthly membership fee is simply added to your mortgage payment. Easy, automatic, and stress-free. With savings like this and service you can trust, what would you rather spend your money on? Enjoy the reward of home ownership without the fear of unexpected repair costs. Sign up on My MCAP or visit our website to learn more.